Hello friends, how are you? You know that we are discussing chapter number 14 statistics, isn't it? Now, last time we have discussed about mode, that is exercise 14.2. It was very easy, right? Okay. In 14.1 there were four formula that we know. Okay. Now today we will discuss about median. Already you know the word median in a 9th standard. Of course, initially we will take revision, okay, and then for the group data new formula is there for the median. Okay, ready for that? Now let us start about median, that is for exercise 14.3 some preparation. Okay, now start. See here, Standard 10, Maths chapter number 14, Statistics part 3. Why it is part 3? Because we have completed exercise 14.1 as well as 14.2. Okay. Now in 9th standard that you know, a median is the measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation. Please try to understand the meaning of this. Middlemost observation means when we arrange all the observations in increasing order. So, middlemost observation, that is known as median. Okay. Recall that for finding the median of ungrouped data in 9th standard, it was about ungrouped data. Median was about ungrouped data. We first arrange all the values in ascending order, that is in increasing order. Then we have to apply the formula. Which formula? If n is odd, means number of observations are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 like this. When the observation number of observation are odd, so use this formula. M is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. याद आएगी उन्हें? Yes. M is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. N. If n is even, n that is number of observation. If the number of observations are even, that is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like this. So at that time we have to use this formula. M is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Do not forget these two, please. Okay. So this is the formula of the median when the number of observations are even. It is nothing but just simply a revision, because you know this both the formulas, right? Now how to use this formula? For that we will take one example. Okay. Before that, please try to understand. Here n plus 1 upon 2, here n by 2 plus 1. Both are not same. They are different. Here, first of all, taking n, value of n plus 1, add 1 in the number of observation and then divided by 2. While here, first of all, n by 2 means divide 2, first n by 2 and then plus 1. That is, here n plus 1 and then whole divided by 2. Here n by 2 and then plus 1. Okay. So they are not same. They are totally different. Okay. Now taking one example. The following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 9 matches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4. Find the median. How to find out the median? First of all, most important thing, arrange all the observations in a increasing order, that is in a ascending order. See, first of all 0 here, 1 here, similarly 2 here, 3 comes 3 times, write down 3 times, 4 comes 2 times and 5. So this one is nothing but all the observations are in a increasing order. Then calculate the number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can say that n is equal to 9. N is equal to 9 means it is odd. So we have to use the formula. M is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. Okay. Formula for the odd, n plus 1 upon 2. Substitute the value of n here. So you will get m is equal to 9 plus 1 upon 2th observation. 9 plus 1, that is 10. 10 upon 2. Answer is 5th observation. These words are very important. 5th observation. Why it is necessary? Suppose you have written only 5. So your answer is 5. That is 100% wrong. because answer is not 5, answer is fifth observation. Please try to understand. Here answer is fifth observation, not 5. 5 is not the answer. Fifth observation is the answer. Fifth observation. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these 3 is our answer. Okay, because it is the fifth observation. But when we arrange all the observation in increasing order, so middlemost observation is known as median. So here 4 observations are here, 4 observations are here. So this one is the middlemost observation. So this is our answer. So m is equal to 3. So median is equal to 3. Okay, easy. Already it is nothing but revision of 9th standard. But if instead of n is equal to 9, suppose 10 are there, suppose it is 5 here, again 5. Okay, now it becomes 10 observation. Okay, now it becomes 10 observation. So n is equal to 10 means it is even. So we have to use the different formula. Which formula? M is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation and then whole divided by 2. This is the formula for even. So m is equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 upon 2. Here n is equal to 10 because there are 10 observations. Okay, I have added 5 for your explanation. Okay, so it becomes 10 observation. 10 observation, n is equal to 10. Substitute here n is equal to 10. So 10 upon 2, 10 upon 2. So we can say that it is fifth observation, right? N is equal to 10, 10 upon 2, that is fifth observation. Here 10 upon 2, that is 5, 5 plus 1, again n is equal to 10, 10 upon 2, that is 5, 5 plus 1, that is 6. Sixth observation and then divided by 2. Here fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2. Fifth observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fifth observation, that is 3. Sixth observation is also 3. Not need to necessary each and every time number remains the same. Maybe different numbers are there, but we have to consider only number, that is fifth number and sixth number, whatever it is. Write down this. So fifth observation and sixth observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So fifth observation 3, sixth observation 3. So divided by 2, answer is 6 by 2. Again answer is 3. So median is equal to 3. Clear? Got it? Now how to find out median when data is given ungrouped data. Ungrouped, that is it is not grouped data. So it was nothing but revision of 9th standard. Okay, now it is for 10th standard. See, for group data formula change. For median, m is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. How to read? Again, m is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. તમે કહો સાહેબ કંઈ ખબર જ નથી પડતી. Don't worry, explanation is now still remaining. Okay, now L, that means what? N, that means what? CF, F and H. Now details of each symbol. First of all, what to do? Here we have to follow these steps so we can easily find out the median for the group data. Okay, first of all, find cumulative frequency of all the classes and find n by 2. Cumulative frequency. Okay, how to find out cumulative frequency I will explain, don't worry. And then find out n by 2, that is total number of observation and divided by 2. Second step, locate the class whose cumulative frequency is greater than or nearly equal to n by 2. Find out cumulative frequency, but value is greater than n by 2 or nearest to n by 2. It should be more than n by 2 or nearly equal to n by 2. So such a class, locate the class means such a class is known as median class. Last time it was model class. Highest frequency. So such a class was model class. Here frequency is almost half, nearly equal to half. So it is known as median class. Then L is lower limit of the median class. Right? Easy. L is the lower limit of the median class and that is total number of observations. CF means cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Already we know about the preceding class. Okay, F, that is frequency of the median class, and last one is H is equal to class size. તમને એમ થાય સાહેબ તમે બહુ જ ઉતાવળ કરો છો, ડોન્ટ વરી, આઈ વિલ એક્સપ્લેન ધીસ વિથ એક્ઝામ્પલ, તો તમને વધારે આઈડિયા આવશે. ઓકે, અગેન ફોર્મ્યુલા m is equal to l plus n by 2 minus cf upon f into h. How to use this formula in a group data? That is with example, don't worry, here example is ready for you. Okay, then what to do? See here, the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median. It is nothing but exercise 14.3 and it is first sum. In a board, in a question, they will give you only 2 columns, that is class and frequency. Of course, in a mean there was also 2 column, in a mode there was also 2 column, here also 2 columns are there. Okay, so class is already given, frequency is already given, then what to do? So here find out third column, that is known as cumulative frequency. Again, make third column, that is known as cumulative frequency. How to find out cumulative frequency? CF, that is cumulative frequency. It is very easy, please concentrate here, you will enjoy this sum, don't worry. Here 4, write down 4 here, copy paste, you know very well, copy paste anywhere લખી દેવાનું, 4 ના 4. Now 4 plus 5, see, 4 plus 5, answer is 9. Okay, again 9 plus 13, answer is 22. 22 plus 20, 22 plus 20, answer is 42. Again 42 plus 14, answer is 56. 56 plus 8, 64. 60 plus 4, 68. Here already it is mentioned that total 68. So here it is 68. Total of the observation. So this is also known as sigma fi, that you know. Sigma fi means total of all the frequency. That is known as sigma fi, total frequency. Here it is 68 and it should be 68. આ 68 તમારો આવો જ જોઈએ, તો જ રાઈટ આન્સર કહેવાય, ચેક કરજો. So again, how to find out cumulative frequency? Copy 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Again 9 plus 13, 22. 22 plus 20, 42. 42 plus 14, 56, like this. Okay, easy. Now how to find out median in a group data? Start. First of all, total frequency 68. Find out n by 2. Find out n by 2. How? N is equal to 68. So 68 upon 2. Answer is 34. Right? Answer is 34. So please concentrate here. It is the most important part of the median. So please see here. Here it is 34. Now see 34 in a third column, that is cumulative frequency. Okay, ચલો 34 આમાં આવે. તમને તો સાહેબ શું જોક કરો છો, આમાં 34 ક્યાંથી આવે? આ તો 4 છે. ઓફકોર્સ યુ આર રાઈટ. સારું 9માં આવે? નો. 22માં 34 આવે? નોટ પોસિબલ. 42માં આવે? ઓફકોર્સ ઇટ ઇઝ પોસિબલ. આ 42ની અંદર 34 નંબર આવી જ જાય. Again check it, we want 34. How? See here already it is mentioned that locate the class. How to find out the class? Whose cumulative frequency? Again it is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is greater than or nearest to n by 2. Greater than or nearest to n by 2. Here we know that here it is n by 2, that is 34. So greater than 34, greater than 34, here it is 42. Or nearly equal to 34. Here it is 34, sorry. 34. So nearly equal to 34. So answer is here 42. 22. That is not valid because it is less than 34. Actually we required 42. Why it is required 42? Because it is more than 34. So in a cumulative frequency 34 comes here. So this class is known as median class. Okay, so this one is known as L, that is lower limit. Okay, this is known as F, frequency, and this is known as cumulative frequency. Okay, so this one is complete, very easy. Again, first of all, 4, 9, 22, 42, 34 comes here, 34 comes here in 42. So we can say that this is median class. Locate the median class, here it is. 125 to 145. So 145 is L, that is lower limit of the given class. This F is the frequency of the median class, and we have to consider CF, that is cumulative frequency preceding the median class. This is the preceding of the median class. So preceding class no cumulative frequency, that is 22. So here it is CF. Clear? Okay. Now use the formula. M is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. It is very easy, don't worry. M is equal to L. L, that is 125. Okay. So here it is 125. N, that is we know that N is 68 upon 2 minus CF. Here it is CF. CF, that is 22. F, that is frequency. Here F is 20 into H, that is class size. Here see the difference. Check the difference. Kilano difference is 85 to 105, difference of 20. Here it is also 20. 65 to 85. That is subtraction of these two numbers gives us H, that is class size, that is 20. Okay. So M is equal to 125 plus 68 upon 2, that you know, so 34 minus 22. 20 कट थी जैसे नीचे आवशे 1. Not need to write 1. Okay, don't worry. So M is equal to 125 plus 34 minus 22. Answer is 12. Okay, now add 125 plus 12. So answer is M is equal to 137 unit. Why it is unit? Because it is already given electricity consumption, and electricity consumption is always in a unit. So M is equal to 137 unit. क्यों लाग्यो सब easy लाग्यो ने? Okay. Again, how to find out median class? First of all, total observation 68. So 68 divided by 2, our answer is 34. Find out 34 in a last column, that is in a cumulative frequency. Here 4, 9, 22, 42. So nearly equal to n by 2. So here 42. More than 34. More than 34. Here it is 42. So this is median class. This is the frequency of the median class. This is the cumulative frequency of the preceding median class. Okay. So this is L, F and CF. Use formula and substitute the value. You will get answer. Okay. Clear? Easy જન? બસ આ આવડી ગયું તો મીડિયન તમારું કમ્પ્લીટ થઈ ગયું. So simple. Okay. Now let us do another sum for the practice. But it is also very most important for the board examination, also for the school examination. Okay, it is most important sum. Why it is most important? Because answer is already given. તો અમને થશે સર આન્સર આપી દીધો એટલે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કહેવાય? ઓફકોર્સ, because we have to find out the here missing frequency, that is x and y. See here, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, again answer is given, median is 28.5, find the values of x and y. In a median compulsory we require third column, that is compulsory. તમને એમ થશે સાહેબ ટોટલ કેવી રીતે કરશો, એક્સ ને વાય તો આપ્યો નથી. ડોન્ટ વરી. સી ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ કોપી. વોટ ટુ ડુ? 5 કોપી. ઓકે, લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ યુઝ કર્યું હતું ને 5 કોપી. Now addition of 5 plus x, not possible. Write down 5 plus x, don't worry. 5 plus x. Again 5 plus x plus 20. Total of 5 plus x with 20. So we can say that it is nothing but 25 plus x. Again 25 plus x plus 15. હવે આનું ટોટલ આની સાથે 25 plus 15, that we know 40. So answer is 40 plus x, don't worry. Again 40 plus x, પાછો y આવ્યો, don't worry. ટોટલમાં બાજુમાં લખી દેવાનું 40 plus x plus y. Okay, 40 plus x plus y. Again total 40 plus 5, 45. So 45 plus x plus y. Okay, this total is already given 60. Again, this total is already given in the question 60. 60 is the total of all missing frequency. So first of all, my dear friends, do the total of this, that we know 5 plus 20, 5 plus 20, 25, 25 plus 15, 40, 40 plus 5, 45. So here 45 plus x plus y. Here it is 45 plus x plus y. Same thing. બંને સેમ જ છે. So this total without x and y 45 and with x and y, that is x plus y. So already answer is given 60. Again total, this is total 45 plus x plus y. Here it is total is given 60. અને મેં તમને લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ બતાવી દીધું કે આન્સર ઓલવેઝ સેમ જ હોય. લો ફરી બતાવું. જો here 68 68 both are equal. આ બંને સેમ જ હોય. means it is equal to, okay, 68 is equal to 68 means similarly here this is equal to this. આ બંને સેમ જ હોય. So 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Then x plus y is equal to 60 minus 45. Okay, a plus 45 on right hand side it becomes minus 45. So x plus y is equal to 15. 60 minus 45 15. Okay, so this is nothing but it is the equation. X plus y is equal to 15. Okay, so total of missing frequency is 15. Okay, now this is the most important thing, how to find out n by 2. Here it is very problematic things. Why it is problematic? Because we require n by 2. Actually we know side 60, but this one is 60. Total of frequency 60 by 2, that is 30. But where it comes 30, that I don't know. This is the biggest problem of this sum. That's why it is a very very important sum. Again 60 by 2, that is 30. How to find out 30 where it is actually? We don't know. Then what to do? Don't worry. Here that's why answer is given 28.5. Okay, median is given 28.5 median. So already 28.5 comes here. See my friends, here answer is already given 28.5. This 28.5 lies between 20 to 30. જોઈ લો ફરીથી 20 to 30. So this is our median class. Very simple. બોલો ખબર પડી ગઈ? Answer is given 28.5. So in our class 28.5 comes between 20 to 30. So this is our median class. So 20 is known as L, right? This 20, that is our F, and preceding class 20 to 20 and cumulative frequency, that is CF. Okay, so this is our median class, this is the frequency, this is the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, that is 5 plus x. Now substitute the value, you will get answer. Very simple. Now let us start. First of all, formula m is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. बोलो formula learn થઈ ગઈ? Again m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Here answer is given. So write here 28.5. Right, answer is given, median is given. L that means what? L that means 20. Here it is L 20. So here it is 20 plus n by 2, and we know that here it is 60. So 60 upon 2 minus CF, that is cumulative frequency. Here it is 5 plus x. But please keep in mind, compulsory make bracket here. 5 plus x cumulative frequency, here it is, and divided by f, that is the frequency of the median class. Here it is 20. Okay, and then H, class size. Here class size is of 10 because difference is of 10. So here it is 10. Now 28 plus 0.5 plus 20 becomes minus 20 because it comes on left hand side. 28.5 plus 20 becomes minus 20. 60 by 2, that is 30. Open the bracket here. So minus 5 minus x. Please concentrate here. Minus 5. Outside of the bracket minus is there. So compulsory change the sign. So minus 5 minus x upon here 10 to the 20. Answer is 2. 10 to the 20. Okay. Now subtraction of these two numbers, 28.5 minus 20. So our answer is 8.5. Right? 28.5 minus 28.5. 30 minus 5. 25 minus x upon 2. Now then what to do? Divide by 2. Now it becomes in multiply relation. 8.5 into 2, that is 25 minus x. Okay, then 8.5 into 2. Do you know the multiplication? Of course it is 8.5 into 2. Answer is 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Right? Now we want x from this. So minus x become plus x because it is on comes on left hand side. 25 as it is. Plus 17 become minus 17. So 25 minus 17. So answer is 8. Again 25 minus 17. Answer is 8. So x is equal to 8. We want x and y both. Then what to do? Substitute here x is equal to 8 here. We know that equation x plus y is equal to 15. ક્યાંથી આવ્યું ફરીથી? These two numbers are always equal. Okay, so 45 plus x plus y, that is equal to 60. So plus 45 becomes minus 45. 60 minus 45, that is 15. X plus y 15. So substitute here x is equal to 8. So 8 plus y is equal to 15. Therefore y is equal to 15 minus 8. Plus become minus. So y is equal to 7. Simple. So our missing frequency x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. કેવો સમ लाग्यो? મજા આવી ને? ચલો again. First of all, most important thing was your answer is given 28.5. So our answer is here between 20 to 30. So this is our median class. Okay, median class. This is frequency and this is cumulative frequency. Difference is of 10. Now putting all the value in this formula, you will get the answer of x. You will get answer of x. X is equal to 8. Substitute x is equal to 8. You will get answer of y. Y is equal to 7. क्यों लागे sum? That's why it is very most important sum. Okay. Now third sum. Life insurance agent found the following data for the distribution of the 100 policy holders. 100 total frequency is given 100. Calculate the median age. That is, we have to find out median. If the policies are given only to person having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years, okay, then here age in years, here column is given like this. Column is given like this: below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, like this. Here it is given like this. Okay, and number of policy holders are given, but it is not useful to us because it is not given in the class. It should be in the class. Then what to do? Convert into the class. So how to convert it? Actually check it. Difference is of, yes, tell me, difference is of here 5. So first class is 15 to 20. First class is 15 to 20. That we have to make. This one is the question, this one is the question, this one is question. So this one is answer start. What to do? First of all class, here difference is of 5. Okay, difference is of 5. Then 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, like this. Last one is 60, 55 to 60 here. Okay, so here difference is of 5 because already it is given. But here it is already given cumulative frequency. Why it is cumulative frequency? Here answer is totally 100. This one is cumulative frequency. Last column is given. This last column is given. This question is given total differently. Then what to do? We want frequency, normal frequency. How to find out the normal frequency? Very simple, very easy. Write down 2 here as usual. Now 6 means what? Below 25 6. Below 25 6 means 2 is already included. 2 any અંદર આવી જ જાય છે. But we want below 22 and below 25 6 mean subtraction of these two number, that is our 4. Similarly, subtraction of these two number, 24 minus 6, answer is 18. Check it. Again, subtraction of these two number, 45 minus 24, answer is 21, like this. 78 minus 40 by 33. Bas, up to last you have to do like this. Again what to do? Again 2 as usual. Okay, 6. So 6 minus 2, answer is 4. 24 minus 6, answer is 18. 45 minus 24, answer is like this. So we have to convert this cumulative frequency into normal frequency. Clear? ખબર પડી ને? પહેલા 2 કોપી મારો. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 24 minus 6, that is 18, like this. Okay, actually it is difference of 5 by like this, but here already it is in the given question, person having 18 years onwards. ઓકે એટલે આ 15 લખ્યું છે પણ એકચ્યુઅલી 18 આવે અહીંયા. મેં જાણી જોઈને 15 લખ્યું કારણ કે તમે કન્ફ્યુઝ ના થાઓ, બિકોઝ ઓલ હેવિંગ ધ સેમ ઇક્વલ લેન્થ 5 5 5 5 5. ઓફકોર્સ તમે અહીંયા 15 લખશો, ઇટ ડઝન્ટ મેક એની ડિફરન્સ. You keep 15, no problem at all, but actually it is already given in a question, person having age 18 years onwards, એટલે આપણે 18 to 20 લખવાનું. બાકી તમે 15 લખો તો બી ચાલે, કોઈ પ્રોબ્લેમ નથી. ઓકે, now already we know it is 100, total 100. ચલો now it becomes very simple for you. why? ચલો 100 ના હાફ કરો, 100 ના હાફ થશે 100 by 2, that is 5050. તો આ 50 આમાં શેમાં આવે, આમાં ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરો. ઇટ ઇઝ અગેન ઇટ ઇઝ નથિંગ બટ સિમ્પલી એ રિવિઝન. આમાં 50 શેમાં આવશે બોલો? યસ 50 આમાં આવે ના, આમાં આવે નો નો નો. ઓફકોર્સ આની અંદર 50 આવશે. જુઓ 45માં ના આવે. સો મોર દેન 50, that is more than 50 is 78 or nearly equal to 50. So here it is our median class. Okay, it is our median class. Then this one is L. This one is always up our F, and this one is always our CF. Okay, this is simple. પહેલા જે કર્યું હતું એવું ને એવું જ છે, ડોન્ટ વરી. સો ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ મીડિયન ક્લાસ. હાઉ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ મીડિયન ક્લાસ? total observation 100 upon 2, that is your 50. so 50 comes here. 45 માં 50 ના આવે, 78 માં આવે. so this one, હા પછી અહીંયા આગળ ના આવે, બધામાં આવે પણ નિયરલી ઇક્વલ ટુ લેવાનું છે. so 78. so this is our median class, L F C M. હવે તો તમે સમ જાતે કરી લો તોય ચાલશે, આવડી જશે ને? ઓફકોર્સ યુ આર રાઇટ. નાઉ યુઝ ધીસ ફોર્મ્યુલા, M is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F into H. Okay, substitute the value. L is here 35 plus N by 2, 100 by 2, that is 50, minus CF, that is our cumulative frequency. Here it is 45 upon frequency, this one is 33. Difference is of 5. Okay, very simple. So 35 plus 50 minus 45, 5 into 5, no answer 5 into 5 upon 33. Similarly 35 plus 5 5s are 25 upon 33. Now do the division. 25 by 33, answer is 0.676. આ જાતે કરજો division, 0.76. answer is 35.76 years, કારણ કે આ એજની વાત છે. M is equal to 35.76 years. કેવું લાગ્યો? સમ ઇઝી છે ને? તો આમાં ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ શું હતું? આ જે બિલો 20, 25, 40 એના ક્યુમ્યુલેટિવ ફ્રીક્વન્સી આપી હતું એને કન્વર્ટ કર્યું. બિલો 20 એટલે નોર્મલ 5નો ડિફરન્સ, એટલે 15 to 20, 20 to 25 like this. But write down here 18 because it is given in the question 18. That's why here. Okay, then it becomes very easy, very simple. How to find out this frequency? પહેલી કોપી મારવાની, પછી આ બેનું માઇનસ કરતા જવાનું. That's all, very simple. Okay, you will get answer. Now today's last sum. Question number 4. Length of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the this. Already find out the median of the leaves. Here the most important thing, what is the change here? Already classes are given and number of leaves are also given. Normal sum is there, no problem at all, but the problem is here 118, 126, now it becomes 127. It is not continuous frequency distribution table. આ 126 તો અહીંયા 126 આપ્યો તો ચાલે. સો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ કન્વર્ટ ઇટ ઇન્ટુ કન્ટિન્યુઅસ. બરાબર, જો અગાઉના સમમાં શું હતું? આ 20 રિપીટ થતું, 25 રિપીટ, 30 રિપીટ લાઈક ધીસ. એના પ્રીવિયસ સમમાં જો આ 10 અહીંયા રિપીટ થયો, 20 રિપીટ થયો, 30 રિપીટ થયો લાઈક ધીસ. ઓકે, એની પહેલાંનો સમ સી 65 to 85, 85 comes here, 105 comes here like this. Then here what to do? Please convert into continuous frequency. How? That you know in a 9th standard. 118 માંથી 0.5 માઇનસ કરવાના. સો આન્સર ઇઝ 117.5. અને એ જે 0.5 માઇનસ કરે એમાં એડ કરી દેવાના 126.5. ઓકે, બસ પતી ગયું. સેમ આ 126 માંથી 0.5 માઇનસ કરવા રહ્યો. ઓકે, પછી એ 0.5 અહીંયા એડ કરી દો 135.5. બસ બધા ક્લાસીસમાં આવું કરવાનું. ફરીથી 118 રિમૂવ 0.5, so 117.5. 0.5 add here, so 126.5. A 126.5 અહીંયા આવી ગયું, જો 135.5. A 135.5 here, like this. Now frequency is given. How to find out CF? Again division, copy 3. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, like this. Okay. Now total frequency is 40. चलो 40 divided by 2, 20. 20 આમાં આવે? No, no, no. Yes, of course, yes. So this is our median class. Okay. This is our median class. So this one is our L. This one is our F. This one is our CF. Okay, easy. Now CF is there, F is there, L is there. We know the formula. Substitute the values, you will get answer. Okay. Now it is very easy. Substitute all the values in this formula, you will get answer. Okay, easy છે. ચલો ફરી વેલ્યુ મૂકી આપું. L 144.5 n by 2, that is 40 by 2, that is 20, minus CF. CF is 17. Normal our frequency is 12 into H. Difference check કરો, difference કેટલાનો છે? 9 નો difference છે. Okay. Now 144.5 subtraction very easy. 3 into 9 upon 12. 3 4s are 12. So 144.5 9 upon 4. 144.5 9 upon 4, that is 2.25 division. So answer is 146.75 mm. આ mm ક્યાંથી આવી? ક્વેશ્ચનમાં આપેલું છે mm. So here answer is median is 146.75. Easy. Okay. Hello friends. બોલો median કેવું લાગ્યું? મજા આવી ને? Very simple. Now today we have completed in exercise 14.3 1 2 3 4. Remaining 3 sums are very simple, very easy, like question number 1. So you can easily calculate the sums, right? Okay. So we have completed exercise 14.1 2 3, means mean, mode and median. Okay. Bye. See you.